Here we are, Winter Storm 2011 Part 2 Winter Adventure.
Hi there, welcome back to WGUS News. We just saw our first pedestrian.
Walking to work at Domino's.
Domino's, folks. He wanted to say a few words, but he was just too cold and had to get to work. So let's go on down the road and check some things out.
All right.
Oh, I see some cars.
Yeah, we got cars
Check
coming.
them out. Are they oh, see the second one?
A little
Flashing.
slippity slidey. Oh, you can't see it on here, but they're coming.
They're coming and they're slipping and sliding. And let me show you something else. Look how
Gus is just sniffing it out. Look at that.
this.
All the way up.
My soccer cleat. Get in there, Larry. Get in there. Can you believe that? It just disappeared in the snow. Now there we go. All right, take a quick look at the.
Start calling you Rosie. Look at those cheeks.
Blush, actually.
Ah, who does your makeup?
Look, take a look at these cars.
Here come the cars.
She is a waiver. We got friendly neighbors here, folks.
Hey!
Hey, a phone dog.
WGUS.
Brought to you by we'll be back. Commercial break, Larry. Commercial break.
See you soon.